The secret of welding thin square tubing is the electrode 6013. I am running 564s. All right, let's go ahead and get this piece tacked up. Let's flip it on the side. And what I'm going to do here is a glorified technique. Sometimes, look, there you have it. I started making holes, but it's okay because persistence pays, and I'm going to show you how to recover. As you keep doing this technique, simply keep tacking right on top. Let it cool, tack right on top, let it cool. As you saw, I kind of went a little bit higher, by a half inch maybe, and started tacking there so that I could have a little more metal. So when I start letting the gravity pull it down, I have a solid tack or weld. And as you can see, I recovered well. I'm going to keep going. Keep that technique. Let it cool, bring it down, let it melt. Let it cool, bring it down, let it melt. Just keep tacking, 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 and stacking, tacking and stacking. Keep practicing, practicing, practicing. I am running 60 amps on my ESAB. I am running 6013s, 564s diameter electrodes. Oh, what happened here? Look, I blew under the hole. It's okay because this is why I'm making this video. I'm showing you guys how to recover. I'm letting it cool. And then I'm going to go ahead and start tacking, filling in some metal. As you see, I kind of started tacking and swiping left and right just a little bit. Look right here. I'm going to keep persisting, keep tacking, let it cool, tack right above it, let it cool, tack right above, drag it at like a little J kind of. Keep tacking, let it cool. Right here, I'm going to let it cool a little bit. Then I'm going to go ahead and tack. Just keep letting it cool and tacking and stacking. And if you have a little more metal on the top, then just let it melt and drag it to the side as you just saw there, like a little J. Tack, let it melt. All right, don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe. Stay tuned. Coinsy Welds, appreciate you guys. Follow me on TikTok. Thank you.